In most of the electronics, 47 μF capacitor are not very commonly seen in modern circuit boards because they fall into a middle range of capacitance that is often not ideal for most common applications. Lower value capacitor like 0.1 μF or 1 μF are widely used for filtering high frequency noise or stabilizing power lines, while higher value like 100 μF or more are used for bulk energy storage, such as power supply smoothing. A 47 μF capacitor does not provide enough bulk storage for power smoothing and may be overkill the simple decoupling of high frequency filtering. Another reason is size and cost. Electrolytic capacitor in the 47 μF range tend to be bulkier comparing to ceramic type, which are more compact and cheaper for smaller values. In modern compact electronics, where space is limited and the surface mount technology dominates, designers prefer smaller ceramic capacitors unless high capacitance is absolutely needed. Since 47 μF capacitors are often electrolytic, they are avoided when ceramic type can serve the same purpose at the smaller values. This R makes 47 μF capacitor less common in modern electronic circuit boards.